Welcome to Energy Bonds. Until now, there has been some confusion surrounding mini bonds. To make things clearer, we have created something special. One of the first secured mini bonds in the UK. It's the breakthrough investors have been waiting for. It comes with an attractive inflation-beating annual interest rate of 6.5%, paid quarterly over 3 years. Energy bonds will not only benefit you, they will benefit the environment and the economy. Here's how it works. Your money will be invested into solar assets. These assets will be installed on carefully chosen UK businesses at no cost to them. The dawn of a new era in mini bond investments. Energy bonds. Brighter investing.